In this video, you'll learn how to copy your UID on KuCoin. By following these simple steps, you will be able to locate and copy your unique identification number efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the KuCoin website URL and hit enter. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of KuCoin featuring various cryptocurrency trading options. Make sure the page is fully loaded before proceeding. Next, look for the profile icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking, you should see options related to your account settings and preferences. This is where you will navigate to find your UID. After accessing the drop-down menu, locate and click on the option labeled Account. This will redirect you to your account information page. Wait for the page to load completely, as it may take a moment depending on your internet speed. On your account information page, find the section that displays your UID. It is usually labeled simply as UID and is prominently displayed for easy access. Once you see this information, you can highlight the UID text. To copy it, right-click on the highlighted text and select the option that says Copy from the context menu. If you experience any delays during these steps, it may be due to slow internet connection or high traffic on the site. Additionally, ensure that your browser is updated for optimal performance. Now that you have copied your UID, you can paste it wherever needed, such as in communications with support or for account verification purposes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.